What's up, everybody? I am back with another Minecraft video, and this time I'm gonna be doing something a little different. Apparently, Brett told me that there is a job offering in this house right here. But he told me, yeah, look, here he is. Right? Boss. Well, I haven't even got the job. What's this? I think he wants me to go down here. That's okay, I guess. That is the worst door opening system I've ever seen. Just gonna turn volume up a bit. Okay. Right, that's nothing. What's in these chests? Is this what my pay is? That's a lot of chicken. And well, wheat, I can get a lot of bread from this. And cookies! Everybody, if you don't know already, I love cookies. Don't tell nobody. Well, yeah, this is such good pay. I'm getting this job. Okay, so basically, there's this house which is leaking. So do you want me to go do it? So I'm a plumber, right? Yep. Okay, so I wonder where it is. Oh, and I'm taking down the last video of when I broke out of prison because, well, two reasons. One, it wasn't very good, and second thing, why shouldn't I? Okay, so apparently it's somewhere around here. I will skip you onto it of when I found it. I found the house, and apparently it is on one of the high floors, so let's go ahead. Everybody, apparently there's going to be a nuclear war or something, so everybody's been evacuated, but I don't think that should last very long. Okay, it's not here. Apparently, I'm a plumber, so yeah. You saw him repair that. Excuse me. Up, here we go. So what has happened here is that somebody has wanted to put some ice in the freezer and it's just melted. Nope, nothing gone. Okay, so what I need to do is get something that has the ability to break it, or break the water source. Okay. So I'm on the top floor, and well, he's not gonna miss this, is he? Okay, so this is what's gonna be used to block off. Why am I crouched? Oh, if you guys don't know, I have my very own wagey voice, and you might not want to hear it. And luckily, this is in peaceful mode because, well, why wouldn't it be? Well, ask a map maker if there's a problem. Wait, what? Oh, sorry, I just used my wagey voice. Okay, so sprint around. Get up here, and now place the block there. Now the water's gone. I'm just gonna. Yeah, that's kind of like a good spot. So yeah, I've got my payer. I've done my job. So now, all I need to do now is just go back to my boss and tell him I did the job. Hey boss. Yes, I've done it. I've done what you asked of me. Come on. No, the 6th level. Sorry, man. Don't have that. Okay. So he said I get about a quarter of this small chest. So definitely knows about my Audi cookie. Okay. So just now work as a quarter. Probably be 8, 16, 24. Okay, 24 divided by 4 is going to be 25 divided by 4 is going to be 8. So, no, what's divided by 3 so 1, and then divided by 4 it's going to be 6. So, 6. Okay, so I've been paid, and the good thing is, because I started today, tomorrow is my day off. So, next time I do a YouTube video, oh, perfect timing. Next time I do a YouTube video, I probably might, I'll just be like going around, probably gonna go to the police, pay my taxes, which definitely won't result in the loot that I stole. Well, don't tell nobody, but I didn't steal anything, right? I'm looking at you, Matt. I'm looking at you, Matt, in the background. Looking at you. See, look, if I go to the window. See, looking at you. See, look, I'm looking at you. And without further ado, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I need subscribers, so tell everybody you know to subscribe. And without further ado, I will be going to bed, and bye bye.